FirstNet Authority's Aviation and Maritime Working Group is here with us this week to evaluate how local fire departments respond within the maritime domain and to learn essentially how incidents are responded to from dispatch all the way to conclusion and the information that needs to be transmitted to make good, effective, and timely decisions while we're responding. We have two ferry services that run out of Hyannis, the Hyannis Fire and the Steamship Authority. They serve both islands. In addition to that, we have a number of piers and wharfs. We have waterfront restaurants, a really large recreational boating fleet. Because of that, we currently have 3 fireboats, 2 that are in the water 24/7, 365. We typically try to stay as kind of close to our area as we can. However, we always offer mutual aid to all of our partners, and in some instances we'll go relatively far offshore. The most distance we've traveled is about 40 nautical miles southeast of here, which is about 12 miles southeast of Nantucket.
We've picked up a lot of work in the maritime area. We're going out a lot more frequently now. If you're responsible for that crew out there, that really creates a lot of stress, that creates a lot of angst, and if you're not getting clear, concise, accurate information, or if you're getting a lot of squelch or whatever, it really just adds to the stress of the situation, and it doesn't leave you with a great feeling. There's definitely challenges with that.
We're a lot more dependent in the field of information. I mean, it's a great thing, but we need it fast, we need it now, so that's the challenge that we have. And we do use FirstNet. We are all in on FirstNet. So either with SIM cards for our modems in the trucks, hotspots, and then cell phones for the department.
We work very closely with and we rely on our local Coast Guard sector, which is southeastern New England, to provide us information and to give us direction in terms of what our mission is more underway. And we use a variety of methods to communicate with them, not the least of which is cell phone communication, so we can actually have the best line of communication with them possible and get information directly to our vessels that are underway and to shoreside command posts.
We're able to have multiple domains of information for us. So we have LMR, radio. We also have the EPT, the push-to-talk feature, and we have cell phones and also CAD.
If we can share really accurate, timely vessel description, vessel location, number of people on board, we can start to make decisions on how rapidly we need to respond, how many assets we need to send, what else we may need for resources. So investing time in decision support tools is probably one of the most valuable things we can do. And any time that we can provide our firefighters and responders better information, we're going to be better served. And I think the future is parsing the information that really matters in a meaningful way, and then allowing the people responding to have that information to make better decisions. The quicker and more reliably we can share information, the better all of our decisions are going to be. The better our decisions are, the better victims of any emergency have a chance of surviving.